This musician thought he would make a cool music video. Little did he know, nature had other plans. Shambhu Adhikari trekked to the Kapush Glacier Lake in Nepal. He was recording himself and heard rumbling on top of the mountain behind him. Within moments, hundreds of tons of snow were thundering down the slopes. The dramatic avalanche was captured on his mobile phone.
Wow. Wow!
He scrambled up a hillside and sheltered among trees. Thankfully, he was safe, and no one was injured during the avalanche. Shambhu said, "This was the most thrilling and awesome experience of my life. Luckily, I moved out of the way quickly, saving my life and my guitar."